Dropping over 200 pounds of industrial steel and cast aluminum onto a standard workbench is a bold move, and it completely changes the expectations for what a small shop can actually do. Most desktop machines feel like delicate instruments, almost like toys made of plastic and thin rails. They rattle, they hum, and they usually struggle with anything harder than a piece of wood or some light plastic. But now, a massive newcomer has arrived, claiming it can chew through solid titanium alloys right next to your morning coffee. It is a staggering promise, especially when you put it side by side with the current king of the hill, the veteran machine that has been the gold standard for years. The veteran is lighter, coming in at about half the weight, and it has a track record that stretches back through several successful generations of hardware. But this new challenger is coming in with a motor that boasts 4 times the raw power for roughly half the cost of the established name. It feels almost too good to be true, doesn't it? On paper, the specifications are enough to make any engineer do a double take. You have a high-speed spindle that spins fast enough to leave a mirror finish on hardened metal, paired with a sophisticated mist cooling system. This is not just a fan blowing dusty air around. It is a high-tech spray that shoots a fine mist of lubricant directly at the cutting edge. That is an absolute requirement if you want to touch titanium or steel without melting your expensive tools into a glob of useless metal. The veteran machine, by comparison, relies on simple air cooling. That works perfectly well for engraving or light aluminum work, but it hits a wall the second you try to get aggressive with your cuts. Then there's the way they handle the tools themselves. The new machine uses smart scanning chips on every tool holder, syncing your data automatically so you never have to type in a single offset. The veteran uses a traditional carousel system. It is proven, it is reliable, and it has thousands of hours of real-world testing behind it. But the real story here is the physical mass. In the world of precision machining, weight is your best friend. That extra 100 pounds of metal in the new machine means significantly less vibration. And less vibration means you can cut faster, deeper, and with much more accuracy. However, there is a massive elephant in the room that we cannot ignore. The veteran company has a massive community and a proven support system that has been active for years. They have open source software and a reputation for actually answering the phone when something goes wrong. The newcomer is a startup, and this is their very first entry into the world of metal cutting. They are asking for your money up front on a crowdfunding platform, promising the world, but they have no history of delivering a product this complex. You're essentially betting thousands of dollars on a dream. If they pull it off, it is a total revolution that brings industrial-grade power to a hobbyist price point. It would be transformative for small businesses and inventors everywhere. But if they fail, you are left with a very expensive, very heavy box of steel parts and no one to call for help. It is the classic struggle between the sure thing and the giant leap. One machine is ready to work the moment you unbox it, while the other represents a future that might be incredible or might be a total disaster. You have to ask yourself if you are the kind of person who enjoys living on the edge of the unknown, or if you just need to get your projects finished by the end of the week. The price difference is massive, but the gap in certainty is even larger. In the end, choosing the right tool comes down to whether you trust a glossy spec sheet or the hard-earned reputation of the hands that have been building machines for years. It is a gamble either way, but only one of them has already proven it can actually stand the heat of the shop. If you want to support this kind of deep dive investigation, check out the shopping links provided in the notes. Using them helps keep this channel independent and free from corporate influence. You can also use the general shop link for your everyday purchases, which helps fund these tests without costing you a single extra penny. Stay curious, keep questioning the marketing hype, and stay savage